everybody. My name is Tamika, and we are going to open this big LOL box named
LOL Surprise Clubhouse Maison.
And it's called LOL Clubhouse Maison.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it now.
Okay. Wow, it's really big, yes?
Yes. And it
Show me.
has so much levels. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
You mean 5 rooms? And you...
That came with this house.
Oh, that was nice.
And this is of purple hair and black hair.
Okay, that's
Really cool. It looks like
Look like mommy.
no, it looks like Linda have the purple hair.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a surprise.
Come here.
Okay. Let's see what's inside. Wait for a second. Wow. So pretty. Nice. Oh, it's a bedroom. You can close it and you can open it.
Can I see? Wow. Oh, it's like a box house.
Yeah.
Clubhouse. That's really cool.
Okay. Oh, you can open this. But how to get a surprise now?
Okay, let's open this one. How do you open it?
Oh, you
Wow.
open this and this. Okay. But why I can't open this one? Wow, this is
Wow.
nice.
Come on, stay here, stay here.
Let's take out this out and open the surprises. Let's see what in
What is, we got what?
a bed with this yellow blanket and this colorful pillow. Another box. Let's see what we got in this box. Oh, another bed. Oh, not another bed. A game table. Cool. Sing.
What is that?
It's a football game.
Nice.
Boom, 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 boom.
And then what else?
Oh, look, we have another box. Wow, this is so heavy. Okay.
What do you think?
I
Inside.
don't know what's in here. Let's open it. Interesting.
Interesting.
Oh, there's a roof.
A
So
roof.
that's why it's big.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, this is for the skateboard.
Oh, the skateboard? I don't know if there's going to be a skateboard.
Let's see. Open. What about the other present here?
Let's see what's
What
in
about
this.
here?
I want to open it. Let's see what is that is. Okay, where do we open it? Where do we open it? Oh!
Wait, mommy will open it. Wait.
Oh, look. We got this surprise and this. Let's open it one by one. Ah! Oh, I already opened this.
One by one, Tamika. Gentle. You're too excited.
I know. I am doing it one by one because I just opened it because this was a big. What? What? What is this? Interesting. You don't have to make it. What's this?
This is a lot of surprise. Oh my goodness, guys. There's so many. Whoa. Like a whole box.
Yeah.
Empty now. Oh, what is this? Let's see. Oh, it's like a graffiti. That was really
Oh,
cool.
we got. What's this? Oh, we got game again. This is cool. Oh, we got.
Hey, do you know that you can move this one? I think. Look, yeah. Wait.
You mean move it this? my god, I don't know how to do it, but okay. What?
So you can move this one. So you can slide it here, slide it down like this, okay?
Mom,
So it's gonna be full.
let's open this.
Yeah, it's already open like this. Look, look.
Look.
Yes, let's go. And then one more here, right?
Wait,
What else there?
nothing. Let's open this. Let's see what's in there. Oh, this is in. Oh, I guess I open it in the back. Oh, it's a game. Another game. Wow, there's so much game. It looks like a Roblox game. Okay, baby's Roblox, baby.
Roblox? Not Roblox, Mika.
It looks like a cup.
What is that?
Oh, it's chair.
Chair. It's very cool chair. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, telescope. Okay, put it everything there then.
Oh, this you put it right here.
Okay, what else now?
Oh, 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 now the. I mean, open oil thing.
Yeah.
And then move it there.
Exactly.
So and then you can decorate. Oh, this is already open. Oh. Baby, this is a chair. Oh, this is not chair. This is a box. Cool.
Can I see?
Yeah. It's like a mountain.
Oh, this is actually a chair. Very good idea. It's like here. Put the chair here. Look at it in the picture. The chair is down here.
It's not a chair. This is a table.
Oh, sorry, table. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oops.
And you did not do anything, so I say sorry. Oh, we got another chair. Yeah, right. We got another. We got. Oh, and we can connect it to make it as a sofa. This is cool. You can connect it. Make it as a sofa. Baby, there's small bags to open.
Okay, open it. It's a lot of here. It's still a lot.
Wow.
Super.
Oh, this is a bean bag.
Oh, wow. They have a bean bag.
Like no D. Oh.
Okay, we're gonna fix it later.
Okay. We put it where? Right there.
Right there, yes.
So we put it right here. It goes right here. And let's open this.
What else?
Mom, where's the people? Oh, food. What is this?
Like a sun bath. Like
Yes.
this outside here. So you can move it like this.
This is too
Whoa, it's really 3 feet wide, 90 degrees, I think. You can move it like this.
Wow.
Look how cool it is.
That's wow. Wow.
You love it.
Yeah, I really love it.
So you can actually move it.
Yeah, you can move it.
So exactly like in the picture, you can move it here.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really awesome.
Okay, but
Put the slide on it.
no.
Okay, you have to see something back. There is a nice light. Look at that. You go on the hole here, and then you go down.
And what?
So cool. This is really cool.
But what?
Okay, let's go.
Look,
Build something.
what's this?
Just collect everything. Just put everything together
Okay,
first.
I
Okay.
don't know what this is, but let's just open it. All the bags up.
Oops.
But that's how LOL surprise you. Oh, I found this.
Skateboard. So you can play skateboard here. Here. This is for you to play skateboard like this.
No, this is not the skate. Oh, that.
Yes, that's how.
And it's the wrong side. You put it this side. The animal can skate. Okay. Whee!
Okay, what about this? What is that? Please go make it together. Don't move it too much. Don't.
Okay, let's see what's in this. It's really big. Oh, it's a hat. Who is it goes to? Oh,
By the way, where is the LOL doll?
yeah.
One stuck.
The LOL doll. Both of them are stuck. Oh, the boy.
So cool.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll? How do you know rock and roll?
I know. Rock and roll. Rock and roll.
It's purple hair, your favorite hair.
But
Oh,
where
that's
do you
really
put a
cute.
skate? Time for skating. Whoa! Skate to skate. Interesting. Oh, this is glasses. Cool glasses. Let's see what's in this little bag. Oh,
What is that? So small?
it's game. It's for the game.
Oh.
Oh, we got a bottle.
Here, open this one more.
Wow. A beautiful cup. I like it.
That was really cute. Oh, it looked like a bubble tea. Is it a bubble tea?
Yes, look
Look like a bubble tea, but I don't know.
not bubble tea. Look, there's a hammock.
Nice hammock. Ah, we need to connect it between this and this.
Yeah, it's true. Okay.
Let's open the other one first. Oh, finish. Ah, here, one more. There is a lot of surprise here. Actually, this one is a good purchase because you got a house and you already have the 2 LOL extra. So basically, you got a 2 exclusive dolls. Amazing. I didn't know they have this clubhouse before. Wow, amazing. Come on, Mika, open it.
Oh, I don't know why there's fixing tools.
Oh, okay. Now let's decorate.
Oh,
Start.
yeah. Hello, everybody. Look, the house is already clean.
Built, okay. What is that?
And now we decorated.
You
See? It's so beautiful.
Wow, so this is the hammock, right? You can play here.
Yeah. Mama, what's this for?
Oh,
Why are you doing
good
this?
vibes
Mom, why you
only.
do this? Mom, but what's this for?
Where was this for?
For the bed?
We will figure it out, okay?
Okay.
Just let's see what is this is the room.
Yeah. Wow, the room.
And this is the chilling room, right?
Yeah.
And you put the sun bed here. And what else here? This is like a cafe with the 2 chairs. And wow, it is really awesome.
Oh, there's a door?
Look, we're gonna play the skateboard.
There's that, but There's
slide. Oh wow, this is a secret door or what?
Oh. Okay.
How do you find that? Wow, it's a darts.
And then you turn it so it can be seen.
Ah, I see. Wow, this is really cool.
Mom, I put this here.
Okay, let's take all your doll.
Ta-da! Hello!
Hi. This is not included, but we can put all the LOL that we have to enter this clubhouse. All right.
I don't know where some of...
Watching.
Thank you everybody for watching the video. Goodbye! And run. I rock and roll. Yes, me too.
What is that?
I rock and roll. I rock and roll.